This video will explain the scripts option, open a new duplicate window. Web browsers allow us to be viewing a page, and then rather than losing the page that we're on, we can click a button, open a new window or a new page, and then navigate to that page as desired. When we need to, we can click the tab and go right back to the previous screen that we were on. That's different than the back button, and that allows us to view any number of different pages within our browser. Let's minimize that and look at HearForm. HearForm offers a similar feature. You may be viewing a particular group of patient records. For example, let's say I've isolated everyone who matches a certain criteria. I want to find all of last week's appointments, for example, and now I've isolated 44 records out of 968, and these are all my patient records who had an appointment last week. I may want to work on that group of records, but then the phone rings and I have to look up another patient for some reason. So I can go up here to Window, New Window. I can also click a button in the lower right area. It's kind of hard to see the way I've got my resolution. Let me see if I can squeeze that up just a little bit here. And you can see there's a little button in the lower right that allows me to, from the home screen, open a new duplicate window. And now it says HearForm-2, meaning I have a separate window. And you'll notice that looks slightly different, but I can do a search from this window for Mary Smith or whoever I want. And there's Mary Campagna and a few other Marys. So as I look at that list, it's different than the list on the left because it's a completely separate window. So the script step is very, very similar. I can open a new duplicate window. It essentially duplicates the window that I'm in with the exact same found set, and then I can actually continue doing searches or modifying that screen as necessary. So let's do it again from the script. Again, you can also press Control-3. So I have just one window open. Let's look under Window here, and you can see that I have my videos file open and I have HearForm open. But when I run the script number 3, now I have an additional window open, and I'm on HearForm-2. The original file is HearForm without any dash or number after it. So again, that window is a duplicate window. In this case, it went back to the panel, but if I were to view the list on the left, you'd see it's identical. So I can open any number of windows that my memory can handle. It just depends on how much memory and the processing power of your computer. I wouldn't open too many, maybe 3 or 4, 5 at the most. Just depends again on your computer. But that's a convenient way to be able to have multiple windows open. Let's go back and look real quick here. I can go to Invoicing, for example, and I can open a new window here under the Scripts menu, and it's going to duplicate that invoice that I was just in. And again, it can be used in most places throughout HearForm. So go ahead and play around with that and see if that adds some value to the way you use HearForm.